Stop wasting thousands on useless certifications and outdated degrees that leave you in debt. The system is designed for a world that no longer exists. Traditional education is slow, expensive, and increasingly irrelevant. In 2026, the market values proof of work over a piece of paper. Right now, there are open source frameworks hidden in plain sight that can make you more money than a corporate salary. Most people are just looking in the wrong places. These tools are free, they are powerful, and they are the keys to the new digital economy. You just need the roadmap to weaponize them. In just 30 days, I'm showing you how to weaponize these free tools to dominate AI and data. We're moving from passive consumer to digital architect. We are going to master 3 high-income digital skills for free. No bootcamps, no debt, just high-velocity skill acquisition. This is the new way. Let's break down the fallacy of the paid certification. Why are $5,000 bootcamps losing relevance? Because they sell you a curriculum, not a portfolio. By the time a bootcamp finishes its marketing cycle, the tech stack has already evolved. You are paying for yesterday's news while the world moves on. In the 2026 talent economy, relevance is everything. Companies need people who can solve problems today, not people who studied them 3 years ago. The speed of innovation is so high that traditional institutions simply cannot keep up. You have to be the one who stays ahead of the curve. Highlight the shifts toward proof of work portfolios over paper credentials in high-demand remote sectors. Your work must speak louder than your resume. A GitHub repository with active, valuable projects is worth more than any master's degree in the current market. We're going to build that today. Introduce the concept of the 30-day aggressive sprint. We're replacing passive learning with high-velocity skill acquisition. No more reading, just building. Passive learning is a luxury you can't afford. In 30 days, we are going to transform your professional identity completely. Let's get to the skills. Skill number 1, mastering technical documentation via GitHub. This is the hidden gateway to the high-income world of tech. It's where builders live. Every major software project lives and dies by its documentation. If you can master this, you control the narrative of the tech stack and the company. Break down how to leverage open source documentation frameworks like Docusaurus to build a professional technical writing portfolio. It's about architecture. Docusaurus allows you to create fast, beautiful documentation websites using Markdown. It's what Meta and other giants use for their own internal tools. Focus on the current demand for docs as code experts who can bridge the gap between complex software architecture and end-user clarity. This is rare. Companies need people who can live in the code but speak to the user. This dual threat ability is one of the highest paid skills in 2026. Every startup needs you. Transition from writing to the data that powers modern businesses by focusing on the logic behind the text. Documentation is just data in human form. When you understand the underlying data structures, your documentation becomes precise, actionable, and incredibly valuable to the engineering team. It's an asset. Skill number 2, data analytics architecture with Python and SQL. This is the engine of modern business intelligence. We're talking real numbers. Every company in the world is sitting on a mountain of data they don't know how to use. You're going to be the one who turns that noise into raw profit. Utilize free environments like Google Colab and Kaggle to master data cleaning and predictive modeling without hardware costs. Zero entry barrier. You don't need a $3,000 laptop to be a data scientist. You just need a browser and the right logic. We are using cloud power to build your future for free. Focus on automating business intelligence reports that save companies thousands in manual labor hours. Automation is the only way to scale your value. When you can show a CEO a report that updates itself and predicts next month's sales, you are not just an employee, you are a vital revenue generator. Connect the ability to interpret data with the next step of instructing machines to execute based on those insights. This is the ultimate bridge to AI. Data is useless unless it drives action. We'll teach you how to write the scripts that turn insights into autonomous business processes for growth. Skill number 3, advanced prompt engineering, and AI orchestration. This is where we move beyond basic chat and into true orchestration. Everyone can use ChatGPT. Very few can orchestrate a network of AI agents to solve a complex industrial problem. You will be in that elite group soon. Move beyond basic chat prompts by mastering chain of thought reasoning and API-based workflow automation. We are talking deep industrial logic. By forcing the AI to think through its steps, we can solve problems that would break a standard prompt. This is how you build real, resilient AI tools. Demonstrate how to build custom GPT agents and autonomous agents using open source libraries to solve specific industry pain points. Build your workforce. Imagine a fleet of agents working 24/7 to handle your customer service, data analysis, and technical writing. That's the end goal of this 30-day sprint. The real money is in the bottlenecks. We'll show you how to identify the massive efficiency gaps in modern business and plug them with high-value AI. When you can solve a pain point at scale, your monetization potential becomes infinite. You're not selling hours anymore. You're selling scalable results. Pivot from individual skill mastery to the logistical framework required to monetize these assets immediately. How do you actually price these tools? We'll break down the pricing structures, the contract frameworks, and the delivery systems you need to turn these skills into a sustainable business. Provide a week-by-week breakdown of the sprint to ensure all three skills are integrated into a single, cohesive professional identity. No step missed. You aren't just learning skills, you're building a brand. By day 30, you'll be a dual-thread data and AI architect with a world-class portfolio to prove it. Week 1 is all about foundations. You set up your GitHub documentation environment and master the Docusaurus framework deeply. By the end of week 1, your technical writing portfolio will be live and deployed. You'll have the infrastructure ready to host your next skills. Week 2 moves into the data analytics architecture. We master SQL and Python basics to build your first automated business intelligence reports. By the end of week 2, you'll have a data pipeline that can clean and analyze raw datasets autonomously. This is where the magic becomes real. Week 3 is the AI orchestration phase. You'll build your custom agents and connect them to real-world business data pipelines you built in week 2. By the end of week 3, your AI agents will be performing complex tasks on your data. You've officially built your own digital workforce. Week 4 is the monetization sprint. We integrate all three skills into a single cohesive professional identity and start aggressive cold outreach. By day 30, your outreach system is live. You're not just ready for the market, you are ready to dominate it. Let's look at the actual outreach strategy. Identify the specific high-ticket marketplaces and cold outreach strategies optimized for the 2026 digital landscape. Where are the decision makers? We'll show you how to navigate the platforms where companies are desperate for your specific skill set. No more bidding wars for low rates. Cold outreach isn't dead, it's just evolved. We'll teach you the high-velocity strategy to reach decision makers directly and close the 5-figure deal. When you lead with value and a proof-of-work portfolio, the sell becomes a strategic conversation. You're the solution they've been waiting for. Conclude with a call to action on building a scalable digital asset that ensures long-term financial autonomy. This is about your freedom. You have the tools, you have the roadmap, and now you have the skills. The only thing left to do is execute the mission. This is your time. Subscribe to Money Up Academy for the full 30-day deep dive and join our community of elite digital architects. Let's get to work. Don't wait for permission to build your future. Start your 30-day sprint today and reclaim your financial destiny. We'll see you in the academy. Now, let's dive into the technical details. Week 1 starts with setting up your GitHub profile for professional-grade documentation. We install Docusaurus and configure the theme to match your brand. This ensures your portfolio is not just functional, but visually elite. Markdown is your primary language here. We'll show you how to structure your files for maximum clarity and automated deployment. Moving into week 2, We set up our Google Colab environment. This is where your Python scripts will process raw business data. We build the data cleaning pipelines. You learn to handle missing values and outliers, the dirty work that makes the analysis possible. SQL integration is next. We connect our Python environment to real-world databases to pull the numbers that drive corporate decisions. In week 3, we orchestrate the AI. We'll show you the exact logic for building agentic workflows that can think and act independently. Connectivity is key. We connect our agents to the data pipelines we built, allowing the AI to analyze and report in real time. Finally, we build the interface. Your custom GPT agents are now ready to solve industry pain points at the click of a button. Week 4, we go to market. We'll show you how to optimize your listings on high-ticket marketplaces to attract premium clients. Branding is everything. We'll ensure your profile reflects the elite skill set you've developed over the last 30 days. No more entry-level positioning. We'll teach you how to stack your early wins to build a reputation that commands 5-figure and 6-figure contracts. This is the end game, the outreach deep dive. We'll break down our high-velocity cold email template. It's designed to cut through the noise and get replies. Don't waste time with gatekeepers. We'll show you how to find and target the decision makers who have the budget to hire you. Once you get the reply, we'll show you how to close the meeting. Move from the email to the call with a clear value proposition. You've built more than a career. You've built a scalable digital asset. This asset works for you even when you aren't working. This is true freedom. Maintain and scale this asset to ensure long-term financial autonomy. The 30-day sprint was just the beginning of your new life. Join the Money App Academy today and build the future you deserve. We'll be with you every step of the way. Let's go. Continuing the masterclass, we dive into GitHub Actions. Learn to automate your deployment pipelines so your work is always up to date. Master branch management and pull requests. This is how professional teams work, and it's how you'll prove you can handle enterprise-scale projects. Security is paramount. We'll show you how to audit your documentation and code for vulnerabilities before they ever reach production. Back to Python, we master pandas for data manipulation. Learn to slice, dice, and transform datasets of any size with ease. NumPy is the backbone of numerical computation. We'll show you how to use it to perform complex calculations in milliseconds. Data visualization with Matplotlib. Turn your numbers into compelling visual stories that even a non-technical CEO can understand instantly. Advanced AI. Zero-shot versus few-shot prompting. Learn exactly when to use each to get the most accurate results from your custom agents. React reasoning loops allow your agents to observe their environment and adjust their plan. This is the cutting edge of AI orchestration. Building resilient systems means handling errors gracefully. We'll show you how to build robust AI agents that don't break when the API is slow. Monetization deep dive. Move away from hourly billing. We'll teach you value-based pricing, charging based on the profit you generate for the client. Recurring revenue is the holy grail. We'll show you how to build maintenance and support packages that keep the checks coming in every single month. Tiered packaging allows you to reach clients at different budget levels. We'll show you how to structure your offers for maximum conversion. Don't forget LinkedIn. We'll show you how to build authority and attract inbound leads by sharing your proof of work portfolio with the right people. Thought leadership is about showing, not telling. We'll show you how to create posts that demonstrate your deep technical expertise and attract buyers. The warm DM sequence. We'll break down how to transition from a public post to a private conversation without being salesy. It's all about relationship. You're building more than a business, you're building a legacy. These skills will serve you for the rest of your professional life. Take them seriously. The future belongs to the architects and the builders. You've proven you're one of them. Now go out there and build something incredible. Subscribe to Money App Academy for more high-velocity roadmaps and masterclasses. Your journey into digital mastery has just begun. Let's go. Start your 30-day sprint today. Reclaim your future. Let's get to work.